Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 432 Jefferson Street in Bloomsburg, and this is apartment number 1. This is a first floor apartment that is efficiency style, so your main living and your bedroom are open to each other, but you do have a separate kitchen, a separate bathroom, and a couple other things that I think you're gonna love. So sit back and relax. I'm gonna take you through this entire amazing place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. All right, we are starting outside today so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood. This is street parking only, but as you can see, there is non-metered space. Now, when you come up on the porch, you have a significant amount of space to be able to put some patio furniture out here to enjoy the outdoors. Now, we're going to come right into the heart of the home, which is your main living space. And this would double down for living room, dining room, as well as bedroom. Now, you can see there is some clear separation between the spaces. Y'all, these are big rooms. You can certainly set these up in a number of ways. I can see a great couch over here. You can put an entertainment center over here, a little dining set over here. And then when you get into here, you can fit up to a king size bed. You can also make your bedroom here, flip flop it over here so you're closer to the kitchen. I mean, it is limitless. This is also providing some real height in the ceilings, so it doesn't feel like it's kind of closing in on you. Now we have this door here that leads into the old staircase, which is now closed off, but this is all your storage. So there is no access up here. This is completely blocked off. So you have all this area and a hang bar and some shelf action to be able to use for storage. That's a lot of space value. Now we're gonna come into the kitchen, but before we get to the kitchen, we are gonna get to your private basement. And yes, I said private. Again, tons of storage opportunity. This comes in the side door here. Now there is an old coin operated washer and dryer down here. You are certainly permitted to bring your own machines in if you'd like to, but look at all this space. She's not a finished basement, but she's not terrible either. So again, a lot of space value here. Now we're gonna come back upstairs into your kitchen. You can see you've got your refrigerator here. Look at all these cool vintage cabinets. It's a small kitchen, but I mean, the storage goes on for days and it's really, really cute. Now, before we go any further, I want to get into the bathroom here. Full-size bathroom, small but mighty, bathtub and shower head, and then obviously your toilet facility, a little vanity action. There's also a little room in here. If you were careful enough, you could do an over the toilet storage in there. And then last but not least, I've got another little extra area for you. Now this is not heated by anything, but there is electric out here. Look at this bonus area. Little back porch, all enclosed. You could open these windows in the summertime, have a great little area out here for dining when it's warmer. I mean, it is amazing. And again, another value add for space. And then you do have access to go out back through this door. Are you kidding me with this place? It is so big considering this is an efficiency style apartment. You can fit big furniture in here. You've got that great kitchen, the porch, all of it. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at the listing and find all the information about the property. You can book your tour and you can even submit that application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today because we are anxious to help you make this your place.